trigonometry tricks. If we have given sine theta and we have to find cos theta and tan theta, cos theta and tan theta. Okay. If we have given sine theta is equal to 3 divided by 5. For this trick, we have to find important key point is Pythagorean triplets. There are some Pythagorean triplets that you have to know. Now, for this, we need Pythagorean triplet, that is 3, 4 and 5, as this sine theta contains 3 and 5. Therefore, Pythagorean triplet is 3, 4 and 5. Now, by using our trick SOH. Now, by this SO, Ka, To. First, we'll write all shortcut. So, Ka, To. SOHCAHTOE. So, I will write this sign is O divided by H. Then cos is A divided by H. From this, we will take C is equal to A divided by H. From this, T, that is tan, is equal to O divided by A. Now, what we have to do here, first, we will take right angled triangle. This is theta. If this angle is theta, then this side is opposite, this side is hypotenuse and this side is adjacent. Now, by this shortcut, sine is equal to O divided by H. By comparing this, O is 3 and H is 5. By Pythagorean triplet, remaining side is 4. So, this adjacent side will be 4. Now, we have both all three sides. By this, we can find cos theta. Cos is equal to A divided by H. Just we have find A. A is 4 divided by H. H is 5. So, easily we can find cos theta. Similarly, we can find tan theta. Tan is equal to O divided by A. Value of O is 3. Value of A is 4. Similarly, we can find another values.